Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to review a new product called the Worldwide Traffic Hack. What is this product, Worldwide Traffic Hack? And as you can see, its name, this product is all about traffic. And we want to know that if you are make money online, the most important thing is the traffic. Traffic is the most important thing. If you know traffic, nobody can see your offer, then you cannot make any money. Straightforward. But the most of the traffic, when you come to the traffic, while you are making money online, for a while, you should know some of the Google will tell you pay traffic, such as Facebook, Google Ads, Yahoo Ads, and some of the maybe cheaper traffic, including Bing Ads. It is also similar to Google PPC pay per click data, and also some of them may use easy ways to get traffic is to buy social ads they have, and there's also someone have a huge email that you just pay them for, and as a sample, the smaller traffic solo X package is about 100 list, about for maybe you can also to see some of the most popular solo app package, solo app platform, and including Udemy, you have to pay $40 for 100 clicks. But if you are getting started, if you you can build your list and also to build a landing page, build your list, and also to follow up. Is also, but the point is that if you are just getting started, you don't have too much money, and also to put the investment for the pay traffic advertising. If you want to free traffic, some of the blocking SEO, they will take time. What you do have what is good to have a very solution, underground secret traffic. There's also what this worldwide traffic hack is all about. Because as you can see the name, it's all about worldwide traffic. It's not about just for the focus on the top tier traffic. Top tier is all of them is by about the first five English, the mainly primarily on 5 English speaking country, included United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. But the point is that all the traffic like this, if you are taking to Google and also other paid traffic, there's also the high. There's also you will have to pay much more traffic traffic cost to get this high quality traffic, as well as you need also for solo ad traffic. What is this product? Worldwide traffic is all about you can get with data tester will tell you how you can get free organic traffic, as well as you can also to tap into the free tire traffic. There's also other things. You can also to search what is the free traffic, and this is also a very cheap but the vendor will how they turn this first tire traffic into conversion. This is also if you really want to tap into that traffic cheap, and also the very free and cheap traffic. So this is product is all for you. So before I jump into that, and also I also included an exclusive bonus package in order to help you to drive more traffic in different way. And all the best part is all my traffic bonus is completely free. You don't have to pay anything. And also before I jump into my bonus page, just a reminder. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So please stay with me till the end of the video, and as a reminder, and also and please stay with me till the end of the video, because I will reveal to you what is the price and upsell as well. Just a reminder, and final reminder, and also don't forget to check my description below. Check my description below in the description, because I also included 8 more 嘅8嘅 exclusive 功能啦。If you can instantly access 啦 ，just simply to check my description below to grab my 8嘅 OT 8嘅 bonus 啦。So let's jump into the sales page 啦。Well, traffic hack is finally discovered that the new traffic hacks in conversion that turns any kind of traffic into sales 啦。Free traffic 啦 ，freebie 嘅traffic 啦 ，cheap traffic and also the reminder to the third 嘅 tier traffic 啦。And you can see that some of the even junk traffic and you can see that also some of the country is not 㗎嘛。You can see why this strong traffic 啦 ，the third party 啦 ，free traffic and cheap traffic 啦。They how you can use to create combination of free and massive TV spend on the ad traffic and how you can turn it into converter. And also you can see some of the traffic how much money you have to pay advertising you have to pay $5 just for $5 and also what is the online you have this training will keep and keep coming They also the list that keep coming and coming is the conversion and converting and converting and you can also to see the screenshot of them is also by using the free traffic method they will show you how you can get conversion to and you can see slow down so much conversion how much money do you have to pay it's also have and distribute how much conversion it also have come with slow down it also have passive income strategy how many list and total affiliate you can also get this is also a very powerful way and you can see so let's jump into that. If you get the worldwide traffic hack what you will get just for the front end you will get my 9 exclusive 功能please stay with me I will give you the bonus number 1 4嘅 free traffic super hack how you can get free traffic source to drive more嘅 daily visitor bonus number 2 discover the secret how you can get 100,000 visitor in 1 hour This is all of a superpower bonus number 3 they will show you I will give you 50,000 visitor that is also you can deliver it to any website you want you can also to use it to build your email and you can also to use it to drive traffic to any affiliate offer you want bonus number 4 I will give you free and there's also the traffic booster this also included free organic traffic and also the paid free organic traffic is completely free organic and also the paid traffic is also infant shout out and also in this training they will teach you how you can build your lead capture training how you can use this traffic and build your email list the money in your list bonus number 5 I will create a free account there's also you can create a free account and inside the members area there's also the people who share the contact and you will get viral traffic from Google get organic traffic bonus number 6 I will give you SEO and ranking techniques techniques bonus number 7 I will give you the free training how you can get started with your affiliate marketing business just for 2 hours simply you will follow the step-by-step video and then you can set up your affiliate marketing business under 2 hours bonus number 8 I will give this also you can join this Facebook group and you will have a free training for every bit and I highly recommend that after you join this Facebook and take a look at their unique system I don't want to sales hyping where there's also a completely free you can sign up for his system and you will get a lot of the high quality video training that will teach you how you can drive paid traffic and free traffic and also the best part is that you can also to make a daily commission from different small and product launcher low ticket offer high ticket offer recurring income offer and multiple stream of income all of them you can get different multiple stream of income 啦。It's highly recommended when you join this Facebook and also to register for their system 啦。You can also completely free to sign up 啦。Bonus number 9 is also I give you an internet marketing course. Is also created by the 7-figure business online marketer that has over 10 years experience affiliate marketing and as well as email marketing and as a bonus you can attend his weekly live training. He will giving you so much stuff and knowledge and help you to make more money. So I highly recommend you should sign up for this internet marketing course and also you can have a bonus to attend his weekly training. His weekly live training. As a bonus, if you pick up any upsell and downsell, because this product will have don't have the downsell, pick up any upsell, I will give you the premium bonus package and also the marketing software and unique software generating over 4,000 money. How you can get paid to follow Instagram follow website and affiliate marketing training membership free to sign up 2 hours business setup fastest way and easy way to make money online. How you can get 100 listeners just for $1 per day and you will get instant access to five training course and software all of them is just $1. You will instant access and also I just reminded to you I recently added my free training about how you can make money online with YouTube. It's also you can highly recommend that you should also to check free training. I also recently added and also very unique traffic, very unique partner with Anthony. That is also you can just for getting started and learn from Anthony Morrison just for $70. You should take a look and see how much benefit you will join this program. All my exclusive product will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer hits 0. All my exclusive product will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link you will come to this bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, when you press this blue button and you will get instant access to this sales page. If you click this any blue yellow button and buy this product through my link and you will get all my exclusive product will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus. And after you purchase it and go to the purchase detail and you can see the little blue button and after you purchase this you will get my all exclusive product. If you pick up any upsell you will get my premium bonus package. So that is also what you will because just to remind you. Also, just to remind you don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So let's jump into the lastly. I also reviewed what are the price and upsell, what are the upgrade. Also, they have 5 different upgrade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's also just for the front end is $11 and 70 cents is also just for $12. They also have different upgrade and also have a different. They also don't have any upsell. The last the upsell upgrade number 1, 2, 3 is all about the traffic extra traffic and also has some traffic hacks is also related to the front end. So that is also I highly recommend you should take a look at the upgrade number 1, upgrade number 2, and upgrade number 3 because all of the traffic is traffic hacker and also have extra traffic that you can benefit from them. Upgrade number 4 and upgrade number 5 maybe some of the reseller you can take a look and you can sell this product as your owner. And also they have the bundle, not only just for this product, you have the different product have the bundle, you can sell it as your own and keep 100% commission. And the final upsell is upgrade number 6 about the private coaching. That is also you will you will have a private coaching and with the two and you have the more inside again the traffic header and how you can get it. So that's also the maybe so expensive and also in my opinion if you just purchase to the front end it's also all about traffic header. But if you want to scale up your traffic header and also extra traffic you should take a look at upgrade number 1, 2, and 3. But if you don't want to tap into the private coaching call private coaching there's also you should take a look at the final upsell, upgrade number 6 that is also the what you will get. Also, like if you just pick up the front end, you will get my 9 exclusive bonus. This how you can drive more traffic. Number 2, number 3, number 4 is also number 4, number 5. All of them you how to try traffic. Number 6, all of them you how traffic. Number 7, you can get your affiliate marketing business. Number 8, you will get my Facebook traffic, and also take a look there, sign up their unique system, and also how you can get a daily and multiple stream of income, recurring income, high ticket, low ticket, and also the different product launch. You have different and ways to make money online with this and unique system after you join this Facebook, and you can upsell number 1 and bonus man. You can integrate with the internet marketing course, and also you can sign up for his weekly training course, weekly training, and you will get more and free stuff to help you to make more money. If you pick up any upsell, I highly recommend you should take a look there. Upgrade number 1, 2, 3, because all of them related to the front end. You will get my premium bonus. The rare is offer $397. And if you want to have the private coaching, you will have to take a look. Their final upsell $497 for the last upsell. Okay, all my subscription bonus will be delivered to you inside the wallpapers before the countdown timer is 0. Simply click the link below in description. The first thing you will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, you press any blue button, and you will go through the sales page of a worldwide traffic hack, and you worldwide traffic hack. You will scroll down, and also you press any yellow button, and purchase this and worldwide traffic hack. Through my link, all my exclusive products will be delivered to you inside the raw website before the countdown timer is 0, and you can see the little gold button up in the purchase detail, and you will instantly access all my exclusive bonus. So, thanks for taking time to check out my worldwide traffic hack review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on my notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. And also, as a reminder, don't forget to check my description to grab my bonus. I also have the 8 bonus you can listen extra. So don't forget to check my description to get my to grab your bonus, 8 bonus, total 8 bonus. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.